am here with the topic microwave diathermy (MWD). Microwave diathermy is a therapeutic modality that utilizes electromagnetic waves in the microwave frequency, that is typically from 915 MHz or 2.45 GHz, to generate heat within the tissue. This heat can penetrate deep into the body, making microwave diathermy useful for various medical applications. For example, pain relief, muscle relaxation, physical therapy, wound healing, sports medicines, orthopedic conditions, rheumatology. In these type of conditions, we can use MWD. And for further more detail, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button to get the detailed description about the MWD microwave diathermy. It is also used in veterinary medicines and geriatric population as well. Thank